Hello, welcome everyone to this live on... what do you call it nowadays? New York Open, there we are. Welcome every single one of you, absolutely beautiful people. That is great. So today we're going to go through some dollar pairs, yen pairs, gold, silver, anything that is moving, we will cover it. If you have stocks, we will cover it. If you have commodities, we will cover it. Why would you cover it? Because we are investors, we're traders, and we are experts in whatever we do. But what I've learned over the years, never say no to an opportunity to make money. So, where are we now? We are here in... yeah. Where are we now? We are on YouTube Live. Great. So I just want... I don't know if my brain stopped working. Hello, Selva. Hello, Tor. Hello, Peter. Peter. Not Peter. Peter. There we have that one, and then that one, and then that one, and then that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. And then that one, and then that one, and then that one. Did the Zoom die? No, I closed it. Sorry, Harold. My bad. I was a bit fast on that one, but there we go. Then we have to do this one, and then this one, and then this one, and this one. Nice. Good. So, just a couple of questions out today. What are you trading? What are you looking for? What do you want to see? Whoops, that was probably not what I wanted to show to everyone today, but there you go. There you go. Didn't see that one coming, did I? No, I didn't. So, welcome Wilson, welcome Helmy, welcome Peter, welcome everyone. So, today we're going to go through CAD yen. How's CAD yen doing? CAD yen is absolutely fantastic. How is your trade going? Ask King Bro. Well, that is going fantastic. Am I break even now? I am break even right now. So, it's going fantastic. Boom. Somewhere along the line, finally, we can boop the algorithm. We can say fantastic trading. Yes, finally, we went right ways. And by the way, pretty awesome, I would say myself. So, let's go through the markets. Dollar beginning there. We have some strength, we have some weakness, we have some whatever. I don't know what's going on here. But what is going on, definitely going on here, we have a kind of a range, kind of a channel to an uptrend to something. And then we have, you know, higher highs and higher lows. And then that's kind of what you're hoping for with the current trend. Technically trading only. A break of high, a break of low, and you're off to the races. Yeehaw! Alright, so, what did we bring out today? Today we brought in some coffee, we brought in some reinforcements. In terms of coffee, the coffee is still screwing hot, so I'm not going to drink that one. So just to burn myself on live show, that it's not going to be great for my future career as a talkative person. USD CAD has a crazy drop. I don't like the word crazy there, Wilson. But I would say it's a bit unexpected. I would expect that it would be a bit more easier to trade. But, you know, the direction is great. That's why we were trading CAD yen earlier. Yup. Czar pairs, man. Please, says Ayanda David Bangani. Okay, we can try to look at that. We can also try to look at S&P, which is also going fantastically. So yesterday, I made that kind of a... I made this yesterday, and we finally had a very funny me and coffee this morning, where we're like, well, that is actually pretty good. Spot on. Spot on there on this morning as to where the price went, and no longer deeper than my lines. So, yeah. So, what's the call here? The call is we are expecting this one to go higher. So, we are, by the way, in a position where we are like, it's going higher. we are buyers, and we're looking to buy it. Everything is great, in my opinion. So, people, you're just 27 today, okay. You have 7 likes today this morning. I'm sorry for not giving you value already, I'm sorry. The other thing is, you're also just a couple of people you texting. So what's going on? Tell me. Tell me what's going on. What's going on in your mind? What is going on in your brain? What is making you maybe having a heart attack? What is making your heart melt? Tell me, people. We are here to support you. Aussie is absolutely fantastically strong this morning. Is there any support from resistance? No, not really. It's just going to be boo, 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 boo. Straight up, a bit of a pullback, straight up again. So is there any kind of daily setup today or tomorrow or at any point? Well, we shall see if there's any daily points today or tomorrow. But just make sure that we get some kind of pullback by tomorrow there, okay? Hello, Tito. Hello. Okay. Dollar Swissy was the first one to be requested for. Please bring your request in the comment section. Okay. So, USD Swissy. Where are we now? USD Swissy is having a pullback here and a high here-ish. So you will then imagine it to be like, well, what if we hit the daily central there at around 9 a.m.? What if that is your buy there? So that's you're in profit there. Is there a sell in this market? No, not really. Why is there no sell in this market? Because it's not bearish. So if you do technical analysis correctly by the end of today, that is the end of today, this is now bullish on this time frame. So if you're thinking I should sell this one, I should probably tell you to back it off, mate. So daily, where are we going? Not really anywhere other than in a range. What else do you expect on USD? On the 4-hour, we are having support here, we're having resistance here, and we're having resistance here. Where are we right now? In between. What does that mean? That means that you have opportunities to take this one higher, and you have opportunities to lose money too. So just make sure that you trade what you want as long as you trade what you want according to your strategy. Friday was here at 4 p.m. I do apologize for being 6 minutes late. I do apologize for that. But here we are, Freddy. Better than ever, right? Eivindfx isn't doing another experiment. What is the experiment today, Dizzy? Call me out on it. What is my experiment today? Have you noticed what could be? What could be what I've done today? Eh? Great. Let me just check something before I continue. Let me see if I can do that. Ah, now I'm finally white. White baby. Okay, 15-minute time frames. Okay, all right. Okay. What else? USD CAD. So, what do you do on USD CAD here? First of all, you're expecting price to fall. Okay, that's all legit, right? That's all legit. And then in the background, you're like, what do you go down to daily? 4-hour. What happens on the 4-hour? 4-hour, you're not really bearish until right now, until you broke that low here. Now, what are you going to do now? You're going down to 1 hour here. And you're saying, well, that was my low that I needed to break on the 4-hour. What are you going to do then? Well, first of all, you have a pullback here at around 9 a.m. This candle here is the broke. That's the next candle pulling back into this resistance. So there's your answer. And then you are asking like, but can it be more opportunities than just that one? There probably can be, yeah. So as we pass 27.30, I think it is, ish. As we passed this low here, we have not many pullbacks, no. So that's actually the only one that you might be able to have taken. But is this the end of the world? No, that is very aggressive selling, by the way. So either you're in it or you're out of it, kind of a thing. So can you sell here right now? I wouldn't try, but you do yourself, your own favors of what you want to do, of what you don't want to do, and if you in the end come up with some kind of strategy that makes you a fantastic trader at the 15 minutes time frame at the lowest low of today, you are very much welcome. Euro yen bullish. Yes. We're gonna look at that, bro. Hi, Ivan. Golden USSR. Yes, we will do so. Can you look at pound yen long on the 1 hour? Just broken down a channel price retest, showing rejection in the one last hour. Did we finally got risk on JPY, Denise? Oh yeah. Boom. What did so? Oh yeah. Finally. Ba 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 ba. Staying alive. Ba 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 ba. Staying alive. Can you look at euro yen? Says NB. Yes, we shall do so. Good morning, hope, and all see sells on euro USD this morning. Thinking we had head lower on the retest of previous low for double bottom. What do you think? I will look at that one too. You see, CAD is a falling knife. That is one very good analogy there, Peter, that I would use myself. So I would appreciate, or I would agree. Not appreciate. I would agree. I would ditto. Not ditto. I would even put 2 strokes underneath the answer on that one too. Yes. Nice T-shirt in the back. Is it for sale? Darren, yes, it is on my merch actually. That I never mentioned to you guys. Maybe I should go over there. Maybe is there a link to that one? Shop at .eivindfx.com. Do you think that works? Let me double check. It should at least. Featured projects. Oh, there it is. I'm just costing 29. But why is it costing 29? Because the base price of the product is pretty high, and I probably make $1 on it or something. So sorry. It's actually break even for me, almost, to be honest. US 30 says Juan T-shirt. Woohoo! Ivan, what happened to euro yen, pound yen falling despite the favorable news? We shall go through that one too. I can vouch for the merge. Ivan's Izilla is in the Discord. Yeah. So actually has one of my things. He actually has my I think that's the only sale I ever made is actually to Harold. So thank you very much for Dubidi. You were the first one and the only one to buy my merch, Harold. I am very grateful for that to be my only customer. You are the single best gold star customer ever. Denise, clap for Denise. Finally, Denise has seen it. When I get fatter, I'll buy another one. Yeah, because we eat so much food at night, don't we? What's your take on trading a pairs that in use are one of them of the week, but planning trading the pair for the week? Okay, we will go through all that. So, where did we start? We started with USD, we done that. USD Kategori, done so. SAR, we can just look at it for quite a 2 seconds there. Okay. Still bullish. So, adios amigos. What do you mean by that, Ivan? That means that you should have entered your beloved trade in this area here, and especially 3 hours ago. Especially 3 hours ago. I just love your comment, Dizzy. Where Ivan says Ivan is doing another experiment. Oh, so funny. Can we please look at pound yen? So I'm going to do gold in 7 minutes. That's kind of what I'm going to do at past, okay? And I'm going to try to do as fast as I can on each pair. So 15-minute time frame on the pound yen. What's going on here? That is a new higher high. And I said, I think it was me and Coffee this morning that we said that that we can go all the way down to 49.60 and still be bullish. That would mean a very bad reversal. It's like slow reversal, not aggressive reversal. But if you sold pound yen, I would imagine you to have a stop loss there. So if this now goes higher high tomorrow, then we have a go, right? So just patiently wait for this one to return. If you're a seller, I wouldn't dare any yet, but you know, you never know. So I would just say, okay, so very okay, I'm gonna go into the trading, I was going to do like Nick. He's like into the candles like this, like very close to the candles, and then yeah, so something like that. So I'm just hoping for this one to make a higher high today or tomorrow above 151. I am gonna add what do you call it, alert there, add alert. So we shall see when you pass. Euro dollar. Hope to sell Euro USD this morning. That was probably accomplished this as well, I would say. The sell was around London Open. Okay. But I wouldn't take that one. I would probably look for a sell tomorrow if I was you. So Sarah, just stay in there. Don't do anything bad and just wait for it to do what it wants to do, okay? US 30. Okay. Well, I think I've done US 30 already today. I felt like we were doing it. Okay. So US 30. What's the deal here? So EMAs on. Okay, buy. But new higher high buy, 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 new higher high. Well, I guess no here. Buy. But then it goes down again, then you can start over again. So US 30 to the moon. US 30 to the moon. That is what is happening on US 30 right now. Great trading, but I would still hope for it to come back to, I still hope for it to come back to like 35,000, but so far it's fun scalping this one and see how far we can go. So SlyFX has done a fantastic job in his comment section. In his comment says 2 words: New Zealand dollar CAD bearish. Thumbs up on you, bro. Thumbs up on you. That's how you do it. I mean, what happened to euro yen, pound yen falling? I think there's a deeper pullbacks more than anything else. But that is pound and euro by themselves falling. So yeah, you know, I don't know. I love this one as well. Maybe I should buy that one. That looks pretty nice. And then some hoodie, you know. But and then there's only winner. There's only winner on that one. But yeah. Maybe I should bring in some more t-shirts. And I probably should redo it. I actually love this t-shirt. There's $1.99 there. And it's just the logo here in front. You know. And it's a white one. So, the white one. Annabelle who? The white one. For those who knows, that is a couple of internal jokes there. So, pound yen. If it continues to fall now, then so be it. Then I don't really care. Then you can sell it probably tomorrow, probably tonight or something, and hopefully to see that one happening. But other than that, I'm like, okay, cool. I still haven't got my bullish side of it, but I really want to. Euro yen. I really don't like this fall though. I must say. So. Also, just hoping for it to return back up again above 128.50. I think I'm saying the prices correctly today. So, also everything is great on CAD yen. Why would I bother around euro yen? But Harold can voucher for the merch. he actually got one. So I think it would take a couple of time. Especially now at Christmas, you won't get it before Christmas. Trust me. You probably will get it around New Year's. Why? Because everything is slow nowadays. I'm just gonna not make you. I'm just making sure you don't hate me for it. I have absolutely no control over it. So don't bother. Don't punch me. Hi Evan, what's your take on trading pairs that is news on one of them on the week? So, my take there is Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matiti. Sorry. Hakuna Matata there. Hakuna Shida. What does that mean? That means no problem. Still trade it. Have fun with it. Don't worry. But yeah. What do you think of pound yen? I just did that twice, Alex12, so that's probably something you can look into. Oil is turning lower. The oil turn on the lower time frame, question mark. Gold. So, here we are. At 1:30. What is the current market conditions? Where's the best opportunities? What am I looking at? Right now, we are higher on dollar. We are higher on Aussie. We are lower on euro. We literally just broke lower there as we were speaking about it. And we are now tapping into the low that was created by Mr. Powell. The other thing on the stock markets, we are continuing to see strength this morning. Absolutely fantastic to the upside. Continuing here to the moon. As long as we're still moving higher, I am absolutely splendid about this. S&P 500 now has broken higher, had a pullback this morning, I guess last night, for me at least, and then continuing. And if you were in New York, as probably your evening yesterday, had a pullback there. That was your entry, and off we go. US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30, US 30. US 30 was there. Another one that had a fantastic run yesterday and also today. And then hopefully we can get some pullbacks on it. I don't know if that's ever possible, but that's a different case. And then 10-year T-note is currently rising. What does that mean? That means risk. Risk what? Risk on. Thank you. Thank you for saying that. So, gold. Gold is currently having a red candle there. I don't have red candles. I have white candles for red candles. So I want this to go higher. Now, dollar is stronger. 10-year T-note is rising. What does that mean for us? That means that gold should probably fall. Does that mean anything for you as a trader? If you're a buyer here, absolutely. Does that mean that you should be starting selling gold right now? This gold can actually just continue higher. So I would at least have a bearish trend, and I will look into this market and say, do I have a bearish trend? And I would probably come with a question. I will probably come with the answer, and the answer would probably be question mark. What in the name of the gold market is happening here? So let me repeat what I've said a couple of times already. I will say it again. If you trade gold for profit, make sure that you have a profitable strategy before going live with the money. Gold is by market players, I mean big ones with billions, do not trade gold for profit. They trade gold to keep their value. And what does that mean? That means that value can still just go sideways in eternity until they're like still keeping their billions in their account. Okay? Thank you. So one of the things that you're being paid, Juan, for is, should you continue to trade a pair that has taken profit already for the week? And my answer to that is, I take profit 50% and I continue on the other 50%. So I reduce my risk but I continue. Okay? At least I made 2 Kenyans there laugh because they heard what I said. And I don't think the algorithm knows what I said. But hey, there you go. Have a laugh there. As I see Tito and Freddy having a laugh there. So welcome to the laughing club. Since I'm a buyer on gold, I don't like this current movement on gold. So I'm just gonna be wait a minute. So that's my update on gold. I think that gold currently is a terrible investment. As of technically, fundamentally it should be better, but technically doesn't go in hand for fundamentals at the moment. So right now we're just gonna be waiting. Yet again, I'm sorry for waiting so much on gold. But what do? I know I'm not the wizard. I'm not making the market move. Ask JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs what they do about gold. Okay. Good afternoon, Michael. Good afternoon. You're very much welcome, Sarah Star. Pound yen bearish. Gold pound dollar bearish. Sure. Is it safe to sell Euro USD? Asks Gabby Thabitho. So that was that in there. So Gabby Tabiso. Safe is a word that I don't necessarily would add into Forex, but I would say, is it a good trading plan? Is it a good strategy? Is it a good theory? Is it a good trading plan? That's a way better question. And I would beg to say that, well, we are currently falling, but you're already at a current low. So, if you're thinking of selling Euro USD, you probably should have a pullback. But minimally, at least. So, whenever that pullback comes in, if it's now, or an hour, or 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, totally up to the market, okay? And Churan says, gold, the dollar is rising. High. Yes, it does. So, just to mention that, right now, I would not personally put a trade on Euro USD to a sell. But I would rather wait for it to come back up again. Alex 12, I looked at pound dollar already today this morning. No, I haven't. Have I? No, I haven't. Sorry. So, what's going on? Today we have dollar at not making higher highs. We have a lower low here. We have the market opened here. That is probably a sell. And now we are continuing to fall. What does that mean? That means, yes, it is currently bearish. So, downside it goes. I don't like it. I don't want it. But that's what the market does. So, yeah. So, today we have 42 people right now and we have 19 likes. What do you want me to do for you to put your like on the like button? Should we be dancing... Not booga booga, but what do you call that thing? No, not hookah chaka. No, that's something else. Hookah chaka. Anyways. Canadian has really stretched itself today. I'm a bit worried for the yen pairs. That yen might get stronger again. No, it doesn't. Look at the yens. Look at the yens. Yens are getting weaker again. Woohoo. So, what does that mean again for us? That means that yen pairs are not going to go down unless the denominator is falling. So, New Zealand yen was requested for by our beloved Freddy here, and Freddy asks, "When can I buy this one?" And I would ask you, and I would tell you, Freddy, that if you want to buy New Zealand dollar yen, you probably have to have a higher high first, and you don't have that. So, chill. Georgie says, your energy deserves a like. Thank you very much. I do love that. Ivan, why is it why you're on a 15-minute time frame? So since we are 38 now, so I want people, you as a community, bring up a list. You guys say, put up a list of all the things that I have tried out today as an experiment. Okay? What have I tried as an experiment today? I don't know if it's different from the other times, but what do you think was the experiment today? I want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know how many experiments experiments I had today, but you tell me. That's why it's fun being here. I want it to be more fun. You know, training is fun. Something is boring, and I'm just talking to a camera phone. You know, hello, hey, and there's no human interaction. So yeah. So what's the number one? Do you think? What's the number one? Do you have any suggestions, Adu? And I'll actually add one. I mean, I should just confirm then that what this is. So, New Zealand yen is currently falling because of New Zealand weakness more than anything else. We have finally hit the weekly, I think it is. We hit the weekly 3. So that's a good sell opportunity there. If you took that one, congratulations. Other than that, yeah, okay, that's what it is. Sell opportunity. I'm looking to buy Aussie at 70.53. If you look at 70.53, let's see if I can find that one. 70.53, 53, around that area. It's still bearish, bro. It's still bearish. So maybe if you get a reversal here, yeah. Not that I like it, but yeah. So Adu has come up with number one. Ivan is on the 15-minute time frame. I have no cover, no music intro. Okay. Gold is falling. Oh my lord. Help us. Jesus, help us. But what did I say a couple of minutes ago? That gold is a range. Gold is a range. Gold is currently having a red candle. So therefore, it will continue to fall. The other question is this bullish? No. Can you buy it? No. Should you buy it? No, not at all. Is this a good buying opportunity? Not at all under any circumstances. I haven't even started buying it, so why are you buying it before me? Yeah. Okay, so what was the experiment today? I'm not going to end this live right now. I'm not going to talk about it while I go through the markets. Number one, I was mostly on the 15-minute time frame. Second of all, no pivot points. Third of all, almost no EMAs. Fourth of all, I tried to do the daily 4-hour, 1-hour, 15-minute time frame analysis. I want to use the Swissy at least. There is a t-shirt in the background. I have shown my merch store, and I am in t-shirt. That is not my merch. It's a not normal t-shirt. It's not a suit today. There was music in the background, probably a bit too low. I have not shared my trading account so far, I think. And I have tried to be as lively and happy as I can. But yeah, it within, So have a nice day, gold traders. Yeah, I would say so too. Oil was requested for 1 million years ago. So let's go through it. What is probably the best buyer price today, you might ask? Today, the best buy price is at 68.74. Did we hit that one? No. Can you expect that to happen in these? Jesus. In the New York session, yes. So I would then say that maybe that could happen. Batman did it. Batman. Now, I have FX Pro open here, and this is a $250 account. It was at least a $250 account that I'm trying to show that I can still trade. Yeah, I'm break even that trade at least, and it's a 0.01 lot. Why? Because we didn't have a lot of good trend at that point. Now we have a good trend. So I'm just waiting tomorrow to add some shenanigan on this account at least. So that's how things is going today in profit. How many pips is in profit now today? It is 94. 94 in profit there. I also use Trader Sway and Oanda. What can you say about your Aussie after all the interest rate news? That it probably will fall. Why would it fall? Well, that is kind of what we're investigating. Why is Aussie strong? Because RBA had a much more bullish outlook than market expected. Then market needs to price in that. So therefore you should have bought Aussie this morning. But, you know, pretty good. Okay, so Aussie oil, sorry. Yeah, we are longer term long. We now have a trend, I would say, that is potentially to continue higher. And I just need a tap down to 68 level, and I am ready to go. Okay, ready to go. So for all of us today, I would say good jobs for waiting for so long until this one is going to go lower. So, yeah. Walter has asked for pound yen, and I think I've done pound yen 3 times already. So if you please go back in this live, there is a plenty of that. If you don't want to, I'm going to give you a very quick word. Bearish. Oil. We're on oil, right, Rondry? Yeah. So I'm just waiting for this one to come down. If it doesn't come down, it doesn't come down, and I can't really do anything about it. I really just hope for it will do that. But okay. So Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie has now been requested for. Oh, sorry, Pound Aussie first, or Euro Aussie, sorry, first. That was probably the bright prices I was looking for. Didn't happen. What can you say about Euro Aussie after the interest rate? It has now made a bearish low. I would then look for a pullback and then take it downtown again. So just waiting. I would then wait for a pullback in a normal trend, at least on Euro. Pound Aussie, same thing. Went through that entry like a hot knife in a butter. Coming up there. I don't know how high I can come back up again even. Sorry, I couldn't save my microphone from that. Didn't have time to take it off. Sorry, ears. So maybe up to 86, 87, sorry. 87.50 persistence and then taken down again, but yeah. Sorry about that. So really what you're thinking of here is what is going on, okay? That is what is going on. It is very strong at the moment. Aussie Swissy was not a good trade. That really didn't come down to central. That just came up and then something like that. And hopefully tomorrow maybe we are able to get a good buy price there. I'm not going to promise you anything. No promises. Oh, that was bad. No promises. I can't even sing. No. No promises. I tried to, at least. Yeah. So what's that about? Dollar having a pullback there, going into daily target there. So having a pullback there in euro as well. So okay, good. Pound yen. Were you able to buy this one this morning? Yeah, you were able to buy that at London Open. Is this one going to continue? Probably. Is this one going to have a pullback at some point? Is it going to be now? I don't know. Is this bullish? Absolutely. Is this great? Absolutely. Is it what you wanted? Absolutely. Is this too strong? Absolutely. Does that make her scared? Not absolutely. So yeah. Okay. So I and my live trading here, I'm not going to buy it right now. No. But I would have loved if I just looked at it a couple of half seconds ago. So if I I think I'm going to take that. Like if I can get a pullback around in like 20 minutes, I'll probably take that. So if we now race to the top to close the hourly candle and then had a pullback on the 15, that would probably be preferable. But still just a 15-minute time frame move. So. And also 1 hour is still gladly higher. So what is my take there, Mr. Lul? Is that this is going higher. This is great. This has pushed through some targets that I didn't really anticipate to be done, but it is what it is. So, and also USD CAD is also falling like a ton of bricks here. So all good on CAD. CAD was expected to be strong, and it's become stronger a bit faster than I thought, but holy guacamole, how strong it is right now. Should you be selling or buying Aussie? Okay. So, if you go to RBA, search for RBA, and then you look for these reports, and then you're looking, what does people or banks think about Aussie? Aussie has benefited from both fresh policy stimulus in China and from heightening speculations that RBA could bring an earlier end to QE program next year. A decision by the Fed to speed up the QE program alongside could encourage the RBA to speed up their tapering plans well early next year. The tone in the statement does suggest that RBA is expecting an Australian economy to continue recovering in the year ahead, which will require further withdrawal of policy stimulus. That is your wordings of what you should do on Aussie. What are you going to do then? If you are seeing more positive outlook coming out of Australia, you would be buyer of Aussie. If you are thinking that Aussie is going to go downtown, it's going to go so bad, it's going to be so bad that you just should just sell it, well, then you should be a seller. So it all depends on your outlook. What should your outlook be? Well, take a piece of Oreo. Oreo has a top side and a bottom side. So when you have a top side and a bottom side, and then you try to break them apart, and then you can guess, which of them. Sorry, I will find this one here, and then we'll go there. And then we'll find which one is going to get the white ones or not. And then if you break it, this one got all the whites, and the other one got nothing. So what does that mean? Flip a coin, make a choice, and if you are wrong, get out. If you're right, be happy. That's how you try until you get better at trying, better at predicting, but also you get more relaxed with yourself when you are wrong. William, welcome back. I have missed you, bro. Okay. Does anyone want the Oreo? Friday, do you want the Oreo? I am doing very well, Mr. William. Bless you. I do. Thank you very much. So, if you sold euro a couple of when you asked for that, Sarah, you would be back at break even now. Pound dollar is kind of like trying to break lower, I would say. So, I guess still going lower. Euro New Zealand has been recovered for a long time here, and we are still going higher. So, okay. Is this a reversal? Not at all, because you haven't broken down the previous low yet. So, it's all in there. Gold still lower, silver still lower. USD Swiss is still higher. Bitcoin still higher. If you want to buy that one, good luck. I don't encourage you to buy Bitcoin, but now it's at a better price than ever. And if it falls, then it falls, kind of a thing. Aussie CAD for a bit of a range, almost came up to the sell price to sell off. Also New Zealand. Wow. I said that was bearish, and now it's absolutely strong. Wow, that is fantastic price action, but I wouldn't have been in a million years been able to catch it. So that's that. Swiss yen, range bound. USD yen, I'm guessing range bound. Okay, I can see you going higher here. So maybe we're going higher on USD yen. So what's the update on yen pairs? That is turning into a buy tomorrow. This is definitely turning into a buy tomorrow. This is not a buy tomorrow. This is not a buy tomorrow. This can be a buy tomorrow. So until further ado, hope that you have made sure that you subscribed to this YouTube channel. I gave you value. Aussie is going higher because of what? Because of RBA being more positive about the future. One other thing is China is trying to stimulate their economy. Third of all, they're trying to stimulate the economy. They're trying to help Evergrande. The other thing is euro fell, pound fell, Aussie went higher, New Zealand went higher. I cannot explain that. CAD is definitely going higher because of better economic future. There's a Bank of Canada meeting tomorrow. I am going to cover it like a baby, and I'm gonna tickle myself. I'm gonna giggle myself in front of the computer when that comes out at around 6 p.m. tomorrow, whatever it is. That is the most important thing tomorrow. If they signal a rate hike early next year, oh my lord, to the moon. So please give your likes here if you want to. That's all for you. I'm going to go over to Trader Nick's live right now. That's when you will find me. And I'm going to make a lot of noise, have a lot of laughter, make fun of him, and make fun of others, and try to help as much as I can because I love you, family. You are my community. I love you. So see you soon. Boom.